That's what it looks like today. Grandpa and grandson having fun. Yep, what a mess. Wanted to go out shopping today, but not in this weather. We're just too busy trying to get our cars out. It's icy. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, family. Welcome back to Uma's home. I am Uma. If you're new and you didn't know, if you're old and you didn't know, that's me. Feeling kind of quirky because it's a little on the late side. Well, not that late. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening. And I just got home from work, but I received a box. My Grove is here, so I want to share that with you all. But how was your weekend? How was everyone's weekend? I hope that wherever you are, you didn't receive as much hail as we did. We did receive a decent amount of snow and hail and freezing temperatures, which were in the negatives. So now there's nothing but ice on top of snow outside. Great. But thank God I didn't have to go to work until yesterday. Today is Wednesday. So I'm going to try to upload this tonight for you all. But I wanted to share my Grove because there's one product here in particular that I'm really excited about. And if I like it, I'm going to let you know. And you know that I let you know if I don't like it. But there are other scents and I'm going to definitely buy some more. So, just want to put it out there for any of the fans. My saints, I'm a little saddened. No, I'm a lot saddened about what happened. My personal opinion, they were robbed. Yes, they were. It was taken from them, but that's all right. Just like my friend Miss Linda said, we had a great time while the fun did last. They gave us a really good time. A lot of moments that we shared with our family, eating and sharing time with family while we watched them play was amazing. I will continue wearing my shirt though. I don't care what anyone says. But let's just dive right into this Grove haul. So let me start with all of the other things that are not this new product that I'm dying to smell. Okay. So, you know, I always get this. And this is the Method bathroom cleaner. I love this stuff and I will always purchase this because this really does clean your toilet bowl really well. It really does. You just squirt this around the bowl and you pass your brush, you clean it up, the toilet brush, and this leaves your toilets spotless. It really does. This is also a new item that I was interested in, and this is because y'all know. If you don't know, you're gonna know. Your girl here has, a slight case of menopause, Yeah, it happens to the best of us. So anything minty and peppermint that I can put on my body, I am all for it. All for it. But I think the hubs eyed this, and I think he wants this now. But I'm going to put up a fight until the next one comes. He can have that one. I'll reorder it. But I really am dying to try this peppermint bar soap. It smells, I can smell it through the box. Pure peppermint. It smells amazing. Amazing. Let me show you what the bar looks like. And their bars are so pretty too. They have like the chunks of whatever scent it is, and this is peppermint. Look at that. This is a nice size bar too. Look. I can even cut this in half and we can share. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe. So, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, guys, you have to try that. Especially for the summertime. Definitely a plus. All right. I ordered the scents Iowa Pine. I know it's not Christmas anymore, but I happen to really love the scent of pine also. I really do. Peppermint and pine. Love them. So, this is the hand soap. I ordered 2 hand soaps, I will find. And what I will probably do is that, being that I have the Valentine's, well, not the Valentine's one, but I have them out for Valentine's Day. The other ones, which are the peppermint, and they have the red label. I will probably, and you guys, you can do this too, probably pour what's in these bottles in those bottles, just so that I can keep the red bottles for Valentine's Day. Smart cookie. All right, so we have that. I also always purchase this. This is their version of the Common. Well, it's not their version, but this is the powder cleanser. And I ordered that as well. I love this stuff too. It's not abrasive on your sink, and it leaves your sink such a really nice shine. I also ordered the Iowa Pine all-purpose. I ordered 2 of them. 2 disinfectants. You hear my grandson? He's looking for me. Shh, I'm trying to hide from him. They're sponges. I always get these because I can always use extras. These are alright. They're not my favorite, but they're okay. And for emergency purposes, till I go to the supermarket and buy the brand that I really like, these will do. So I ordered that. Now, I also ordered a candle from them. And this is just in lavender, which I think I'm going to burn. Love it. This is their soy candle. No, I think I'm going to keep this in my room. Yep, I think I am. Their lavender soy candle. Of course, the daily shower. I absolutely love this, and I always rave about this product. Spraying it on the shower tiles and in the tub after you shower. It really does make a difference. It really does. You should try this if you haven't tried it. And my favorite scent in this is the eucalyptus. Where is it? Eucalyptus and mint. Amazing. Now, this is the product that I'm really excited for. Look at this. And this is from Caldrea. And everyone has been raving about this, so I thought that I needed to try this. This is a linen and room spray. Now let me tell you. Oh, they lock the top here too. This scent is really nice. It's really light. It's and I love the size of the bottle. Look at that size. It's really nice. This smells really clean and refreshing. It's kind of perfumey too, which I love because I have a habit of, especially when I change my sheets, but even in between changing sheets, I do spray my bed with perfume before going to sleep. I do that with body mist. I tend to always do that. So I go through, if I buy linen sprays, I go through them like water. So this is a nice treat. I can spray the room. Well, I'm going to spray the whole house with this, but this smells really nice. Nice, perfumey, spring scent. Like it. Now I have to try all the other ones. I really love this stuff. So that is it for my haul. I will see you guys. Someone's calling me. I will see you guys in the next. I can't. See you guys in the next one. Let me go and play with my grandson. Yeah, which will probably be, if not the end of this week. Well, if I get another box, I'll share that with you during the week. But if not, I will see you this weekend. Take care.